The question says the electronic configuration of silver atom in ground state. We have to write a general electronic configuration for the silver atom. Okay. In the periodic table you might have learned we have elements copper, silver and it is gold is there. These three elements are present in a group. And we have to write electronic configuration for silver. Pay attention very carefully. We have atomic number of copper is what, 29. If we write outermost electronic configuration, it is what, 3d10 and it is 4s1. By following completely filled rule, we get 3d10 4s1. In general, it is supposed to be 3d9 4s2, but the d orbital pulls one electron from s orbital to be in completely stable state. Okay, 3d10 4s1. This element is present in the fourth period. This element is present in the fifth period and it is present in the sixth period. Okay. When we write outermost electronic configuration for silver, so it will be 4d10 and 5s1. Okay. We can increase these numbers by 1 unit because we are writing electronic configuration for the fifth period. Making sense? So in case of silver, how many total number of electrons are there in the outermost shell? 10 plus 1 is equal to 11 are there. 11. Okay. What is the atomic number of silver? 29 is there. After 29, if we add 18, then I will get the atomic number of silvers. Okay. So we have 29 plus 18 is there. 29 plus 18. So in this case it will be 7. 47 we are getting. So 47 is the atomic number of silvers. In the outermost we have how many electrons? 11 electrons. Okay. And atomic number of silver is what? 47. Then innermost electron we can calculate because 47 is the atomic number of silver. Outermost electron we get 11. Then how much value we are getting? 36. 36. Which noble gas element has 36 atomic numbers? We have helium, neon, argon and krypton is there. This is 2, this is 10, this is 18, this is 36 is there. 36. Very interesting. So this is krypton is there. Kr is having atomic number 36. So see, for silver we get Kr is there. Kr having atomic number 36 and outermost electronic configuration 4d10 and 5s1 is there. It is having 36 atomic number. 36 plus 11 is equal to 47 is there. This is the outermost electronic configuration including noble gas. Okay. This is the ground state electronic configuration for silver. Any such option you can see we have the first option given here. No. First option. See how confusing it is. You can see how confusing. You can see resembling options are given here. This is chromium. KRE. Krypton is there. Krypton is also there. Okay. 3d10, 4d10, 4s1, 5s1. Okay. If silver is present in the fourth period, then it is correct. But it is present in the fifth period. That's why option C is correct. Option C is correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.